आपण डेटावरची काही एक्झाम्पल सोडवले पहा. नाव दिस इज थेरॉटिकल एक्झाम्पल्स. अशा पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल्स हे स्पर्धा परीक्षामध्ये विचारले जातात. एम पी एस सी, यू पी एस सी, बँकेच्या परीक्षा असतील, सी एच्या परीक्षा असतील, या परीक्षेमध्ये अशा पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल्स हे तुम्हाला विचारले जातात पहा. आपण कंबाईन मीन आणि कंबाईन स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशनचे फॉर्म्युले अभ्यासलेले आहेत आणि त्याच्यावरचं हे एक्झाम्पल आहे. So first we read the example carefully and given data is convert into the notation form. पहिल्यांदा आपण एक्झाम्पल काळजीपूर्वक वाचूया आणि या ज्या काय ऑब्झर्वेशन्स व्हॅल्यूज दिलेल्या आहेत ते आपण नोटेशन फॉर्ममध्ये लिहून घेऊया. सो हिअर एक्झाम्पल इज फॉर ए ग्रुप ऑफ 100 ऑब्झर्वेशन्स. द मीन and variance are found to be 60 and 25 respectively. For another group of 50 observations, mean is 90 and variance is, here is, and variance is 16. Find the standard deviation of combined group, combine 150 observations. So here we have given the two data, that is observations obtained from the two data. In first data there are 100 observations and in second data there are 50 observations and their corresponding mean and variance also we have given. So first we convert or we write the given observation data in the notation form. So in solution we first write the given observations in notation form. So the first data, the observations, we denote it by n1 is equal to 100, n2, that is the total number of observation in the second group, is 50. The mean of the first observation, that is x1 bar, is equal to 60. Variance of the second the first data is a sigma 1 square. Variance is given, so we denote it by sigma 1 square and this value is 25. That means here the sigma 1 is equal to 5. We take the square root on both the sides, we get the standard deviation. Sigma 1 is equal to 5. Then mean of the second group, that is x2 bar, is given is a 90 and its variance is sigma 2 square. This value is a 16. That means sigma 2 is equal to 4. And now from this given data we want to calculate the combined mean, combined standard deviation. So combined standard deviation, the formula is, now formula for combined standard deviation is, we denote it by sigma 1 2, that is a first and second group, though two groups are given. So sigma 1 2 is equal to under root n1 into sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 into sigma 2 square plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. So look here in the formula, we know n1 is 100, sigma 1 square is 25, n2 is 50, sigma 2 square is 16, but d1 and d2 are not given. So to obtain the values of d1 and d2, म्हणजे या d1 आणि d2 काय आहे, तर d1 means x1 bar minus x bar c, that is combined mean. We x1 bar minus, that is combined standard deviation. From the combined standard deviation we subtract the given mean, that is x1, x bar c minus x bar 1, and d2 is equal to x bar c, that is combined mean, minus x2 bar. And again here we first define the combined mean, and we know the formula of the combined mean is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. This we calculate the combined mean for the to find the d1 and d2. So after substituting all these observation in the data, we get in this formula 100 multiplied by x1 bar is 60 plus n2 is 50 multiplied by x2 bar is 90 divided by n1 plus n2, that is 150. So after evaluating this, we get the combined mean is 70, and then find the d1 and d2. जो कंबाईन स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन मध्ये आपल्याला d1 आणि d2 जो पाहिजे तो ती व्हॅल्यू मग या ठिकाणी कॅल्क्युलेट. सो d1 x1 bar minus x bar 1, that is a 70 minus 60 is equal to 10. So d1 square is equal to 10 square is equal to 100. Next one is d2. d2 is equal to 70 minus x2 bar is 90. So minus 90 is equal to minus 20. That means d2 square is equal to minus 20 square is equal to 400. So here we get all the terms which is used in the formula. n1 sigma 1 square already we have given, and we define here d1 square as well as d2 square. Now we substitute all these terms in the formula and find out the combined standard deviation. So combined standard deviation is sigma 1 2 is equal to under root, again we write the formula n1 sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 into sigma 2 square plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. This is equal to under root. After substituting all these terms, we get here the 100 in bracket 25 plus 100 plus n2 is 50, sigma 2 square is 16 plus d2 square is equal to 400 divided by 150, that is 100 plus 50. So this we get as, after evaluating this, we get 12,500 plus 20,000 800 divided by 150, and this we get as under root 33,300 divided by 150 is equal to 14.89. So this is a combined standard deviation. अशा पद्धतीनं हे असे एक्झाम्पल्स हे तुम्हाला सी एच्या परीक्षा असतील, एम पी एस सीच्या परीक्षा असतील, यू पी एस सीची परीक्षा असेल, अशाच वेगवेगळ्या स्पर्धा परीक्षेमध्ये अशा पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल्स हे विचारले जातात पहा. तर हे चांगल्या पद्धतीनं तुम्ही अशाच पद्धतीचे वेगवेगळे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही सोडवा.